Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 connection error. So here's what you're gonna do. So the first thing you wanna do is go to search, type in CMD. You wanna click run as administrator. Click yes. Once it opens, you wanna type in ipconfig /release. And once that is done, you wanna type in ipconfig /renew. Now you want to type in ipconfig /lush DNS. Now you want to type netsh /winsock reset. And it says you have to restart your PC for it to work. Now you can type in exit out of this and press enter. Now you go to search, type in settings. Once it opens, you want to go to network and internet, advanced network settings. You want to click on network reset, and then you click network reset now and then confirm it, and it will restart your network connection also. After you've done all of that, before you restart your PC, you want to go to search one more time, type in network connections, view network connections. You want to find your Ethernet. Double click on it, click properties. You want to find here Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on it. Click here, use the following DNS server. Now use either 1.1.1.1, 1.0.0.1, or you can use 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4. So whichever one works for you. And after you've done all of that, you can exit out of this, restart your PC fully, and then relaunch the game, and that should hopefully fix your issue. And that's it for this video. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6 connection error. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye.